Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes something that gives off light or shines brightly. Luminous. It might look a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is luminous. Let's break it down. First, we have lu, which rhymes with you and is stressed. Next is mu, which sounds like the mu in mug. Then comes nos, which sounds like the nos in famous. Now let's put it all together, luminous. Try repeating after me, luminous. Now a little faster, luminous. And at full speed, luminous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Luminous refers to something that emits or reflects light, often used to describe something bright, radiant, or glowing. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce luminous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video!